Students, welcome to your English grammar class. In my previous session, I started with this chapter, simple past tense, and I helped you all complete exercise A. Exercise A. Exercise B. And today we'll be continuing with exercise C. So before we start exercise C, let's see the sentence structure of interrogative sentence, yes no type questions. Okay, so first we'll be putting the helping verb in yes no type questions. So here in past tense we will be using did, then subject can be I, we, you, he, she, they, anything, and verb in the first form and other words. Okay, so see exercise C. Change the following sentences into interrogative. So the first example is I spoke the truth. So what we'll do, if we make it into yes no type question, we need to add did. So before the subject we will be adding did. Did I spoke ka, it will become speak the truth. First one, he went for morning walk. So again he is the subject over here, went is the verb. So we need to add did before the subject, that is he, and went ka first form we need to make it to go for morning walk. She wanted to complete her homework before 7 p.m. So again she is the subject over here, wanted is the verb. So what we will do, we will put did before she, and first form of the verb wanted will be want. Did she want to complete her homework before 7 p.m.? Try doing the remaining ones on your own. Moving on to the next sentence structure, that is interrogative sentence, WH type question. In WH type question, it always begins with a WH question, and in past tense you will always use did followed by subject and verb in the first form and other words. So let's see the exercise D. First, correct the following sentences. When you got up last morning. So do you think this sentence is proper? No, you think something is missing, right? So what you need to do, we need to add did after the WH word. So when did you get up last morning? What she wanted. So again, in between the subject and WH word we need to add did. So what did she want? The first verb will become in the first form, that is wanted ka, it will become want. Let's see the second one, where you lived last year. So where did you live? Lived ka, it will become live last year. Try doing the remaining ones on your own. Moving on to the next sentence structure, that is interrogative negative sentence. So in interrogative negative sentence, it will begin with did followed by subject, not verb in the first form and other words. And in this we can use the contracted form also, that is did not. If you use did not together, it becomes didn't. Okay, so change the following sentences into interrogative negative. I followed the commands of my teacher. So if you are not using the contracted form, then you have to follow this sentence structure. So did I, then not, followed, it will become follow, verb in the first form, the commands of my teacher. Kabir went to his uncle yesterday. Kabir is the subject over here, went is the verb over here. So what you need to do, you need to add did before the subject, that is Kabir. Did Kabir, and we need to convert the verb into the first form, that is went will become go, and before the verb we need to add not. So did Kabir not go to his uncle yesterday? So students, with this we finish our chapter. So your task for today is to complete exercise C, exercise D, exercise E, and in case if you all have any doubts, you all can contact me. Thank you.